damn recording that. Highly illegal to ride like that.
Spaces. Why do we find popping bubble wrap so satisfying? Why do we say boop when we touch somebody's nose? Boop? Why do we turn anything and everything into drums? Honey, I need those pots to start dinner. Why do we sing in the shower?
I'm taking a shower.
And outside the shower.
This conference call is boring.
Rick, you are not on mute.
Why? For the same reason we play scratchers from the California Lottery. Because a little play can make your day. Please play responsibly. Must be 18 years or older to purchase, play, or claim.
Breathe new life into life at home with IKEA Festival. 10 topics, one purpose. To get more out of the homes we love. What are you passionate about? Art? Dance? Music? Food? Fur babies? Get inspired, create, and share with us. With celebrations, giveaways, IKEA family offers, and live streams with expert advice. It's all happening at IKEA Festival. Join us from August 26th through September 10th online or at your local IKEA store. Learn more at IKEA-USA.com. Hardworking families across America save even more all Labor Day weekend. That's right, we got you. Celebrate a 4-day super savings weekend with 20% off already great prices. Plus, save an extra 10% across the store. That's extra savings in addition to our huge end of summer deals. Grab your coupon on the JCP app and save all you want. Shopping is back. JCPenney. Coupon required and valid on select styles 92 to 95. Exclusions apply. See store or jcp.com for details.
Have you ever noticed it's your floors? You can see everything, including dust.
So much dust.
And that floor dust gets kicked up into the air, compromising the quality of air you and your family breathe.
Eesh.
Swiffer Heavy Duty Sweeper is the fast and easy way to clean your floors, with ultra-thick pads that trap and lock dust before it gets in the air. Just a couple minutes a day.
And dust is gone.
Swiffer Heavy Duty Sweeper. Proud partner of the American Lung Association.
Bart is turning 50 and we'd love to celebrate with you. Get 50% off your ride in honor of Bart's 50 years of service to the Bay Area with Clipper. That's 50% off Clipper Bart fares for the entire month of September. Add Clipper to your digital wallet for free. If you're eligible for other Clipper discounts like youth or senior fares, you get to take an additional 50% off those too. Details at bart.gov/50 years. That's bart.gov/50 years. Celebrate Bart's 50 years of service with us this September. Let's go!
Okay, you know those amazing spots only the true San Francisco locals are in on? Like that place with the square pizzas? Or the spot for sweet and sour chicken that's anything but so-so? Or you know, with the Granch dressing. And all the other spots the real SF locals know without us even saying them. Yeah, they're on DoorDash. San Francisco gets it. DoorDash has it.
Gorgeous gaming, stunning streams, unbelievable bandwidth. It's another Lifestyles of Gagillionaires. Meet the AT&T fiber customers winning at life with hyper gig speeds. Meet Gagillionaire Terry. While his love of streaming horror movies has him constantly on the edge of his seat, his internet bill won't give him a scare. Oh, I'm going there. I'm telling you. Because since Terry upgraded to AT&T fiber with hyper gig speeds, he doesn't worry about data caps or equipment fees.
Man, the door's open for a reason.
And best yet, he also doesn't stress about a price increase at 12 months, because with the amazing Gagillionaire lifestyle comes an exquisite sense of tranquility. Most of the time. Live like a Gagillionaire. Get straightforward pricing with AT&T fiber. Internet that upgrades everything. No data caps, no equipment fees, and no price increase at 12 months.
Limited availability. Select areas. Visit att.com/hypergig for details.
You can make a difference. 60 wineries, one great cause. Healdsburg Crush features 60 wineries pouring outdoors on a beautiful plaza in downtown Healdsburg. Sunday, October 16th from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. All proceeds benefit Boy and Girls Clubs of Sonoma Marin. Tickets at healdsburgcrush.com.
You can make a difference. Find out what's going on in the Bay Area. Visit 1013.com/calendar.
KIOI-FM, San Francisco, San Jose.
Star 1013 is an iHeartRadio station. Available everywhere on our free iHeartRadio app. #1 for music, radio, and podcasts all in one.
Now, getting you back to the 90s. All holiday weekend on Star 1013.
weekend on Star 101.3. You like the 90s?
Yeah.
Perla with an H?
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you for listening to Star 101.3. Have a great weekend.